Good day everyone. Today we'll be discussing Trichoderma spp, a group of beneficial fungi that plays a major role in sustainable agriculture and environmental protection. Trichoderma is widely known as a biocontrol agent because it helps protect plants from harmful diseases caused by soil-borne pathogens. It also enhances plant growth and improves soil health through natural processes. Unlike chemical pesticides, Trichoderma is eco-friendly, safe, and cost-effective, making it an important tool in organic farming and in crop production. So in this report, we will explore its characteristics, uses, benefits to plants, and its importance in modern agriculture.
Good day, everyone. And now, I'll be discussing the historical milestone of Trichoderma species, how it was discovered, studied, and eventually applied in agriculture. So let's begin with the early history and discovery. In 1794, the genus Trichoderma was first identified and named by Christian Hendrik Persson, a pioneering mycologist. This marked the formal recognition of the fungus in scientific literature. Let's fast forward to 1932. Researchers discovered that Trichoderma had mycoparasitic and biocontrol abilities. Specifically, it was found to suppress Rhizoctonia solani, a notorious plant pathogen. This was a major turning point in showed that Trichoderma wasn't just any fungus, but one with potential for disease control. Then in 1934, scientists isolated gliotoxin, the first known antifungal compound produced by Trichoderma. This discovery highlighted its biochemical potential in fighting other fungi. And now, let's move to the mid-history and research expansion. So in 1972, Trichoderma harzianum was successfully tested in field condition for its biocontrol activity. This proved that it could work not just in the lab, but in real agricultural settings. And by 1984, the growing interest led to the first international workshop on Trichoderma, bringing together researchers from around the world to share findings and collaborate. And in 1985, a comprehensive review was published by George Papabizas, summarizing decades of research and setting the stage for future applications. And in 1986, studies reported that Trichoderma could promote plant growth, adding another layer to its benefits, not just disease control, but also growth enhancement. And now, finally, in 1989, the first commercial formulation called peanut tea was registered. This marked the transition from research to real-world use, making Trichoderma available to farmers and growers. And that's all. Thank you.
So let's talk about the biocontrol agent, which is the Trichoderma spp. Remember that this is a beneficial fungus. So the target pest of Trichoderma spp is the soil-borne fungal pathogens such as Fusarium spp, Rhizoctonia solani, Sclerotium rolfsi, Pythium spp, and Phytophthora spp. So, what is it? Growth promotion, improves plant vigor and nutrient uptake. Its mode of action is microparasitism, attacks and destroys pathogen hyphae using enzymes like chitinase and glucanase. Antibiosis produces antifungal metabolites using Trichoderma spp as a biocontrol agent, offers advantages like being an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides, promoting plant growth, and increasing soil fertility by improving nutrient use and suppressing pathogens.
Based on the research finding, Trichoderma spp show a significant positive effect on the plant growth and resilience. The studies revealed that the plant treated with Trichoderma had better roots and shoot development, large leaf area, and improved tolerance to both biotic and abiotic stress. The results also showed that Trichoderma controls plant pathogen through several key mechanisms include mycoparasitism, competition for nutrients and space, antibiosis through antifungal compound, and by inducing the plant's own defense system. Overall, the research confirms that Trichoderma not only promotes healthier plant growth but also strengthens natural resistance against the disease.
Using Trichoderma reduces toxic residues on crops, making them safer for consumption. Let's talk about its disadvantages. include their efficacy being dependent on environmental factors like temperature, a short shelf life for some formulations, and the potential for opportunistic infections in compromised individuals. So the trichoderma is not effective on seeds that have been chemically treated.
To conclude our report on Trichoderma spp, this fungus is very important in agriculture because it helps promote healthy plant growth and protects crops naturally. Trichoderma acts as a biocontrol agent, meaning it fights against harmful soil-borne pathogens that causes plant disease. So it also improves soil health by breaking down organic matter and helping plants absorb nutrients more effectively. Because of these abilities, farmers can use Trichoderma as a natural alternative for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, making farming more eco-friendly and sustainable. So overall, using Trichoderma spp not only increases crop yield, but it also supports environmentally safe and cost-effective on agriculture practices, which is essential for sustainable food production and for the future of farming.